Kayuba Mayero, Miss Tourism P, Northern Uganda, Wuruno Kuchigi, Anyira Metia Pim Yeraman, Ichian Beach Many de Peru, Med Mea, a Bichel Mohari Peruan, Ubinu Ubero Guinea Bebe, the Chukadun Kunu, Yobu Leo Mechukman, Ibe, Yuayo, Kiriweyo, Medukidong Tim Mojamo Cherapol, Wagdang Leo Mechukman, Tabera Team. Man ko be gina chela mo yomo yo charwel mechuka dunga tek ko dojo pieno nakani yo apiem pi kudi pieman chalo Miss Tourism pi Northern Uganda put potimo da ko bedo pitiela ma chel lokere kara chel kede QFM coordinator pi Miss Tourism pi Northern Uganda man Gloria Anene otani yo apol otani manono onu gine chwaka pola a wopere kara ki ticha me gino be tiji chuka duong ame eno te duoko pochi kom juame ochunke gi meneni yoba man o chobera be
I'm the cluster coordinator of Miss Tourism Uganda Northern Region. We are here at the main market doing our Let the Pearl Shine campaign and grading campaign, and we celebrate the main market. And I think we're almost done with the activity. We had the RCC supporters, we had the police supporters, we had the office of the president supporters. We are very grateful for this. We have the Red Cross supporting us. We have the health team supporting us. This is a massive move for us. We are very grateful. The main market came through to support us in cleaning the market. We are very happy. We are gearing up for our grand finale that is next week at Lira Hotel. It's going to be on 29th of next weekend at Lira Hotel. And we are asking the public, the community to come through and support us as we crown our next queen of Miss Tourism Northern Region, who is going to go to the nationals and stand for Miss Tourism Northern Uganda and represent us as an ambassador of Northern Uganda. So we are very excited about this. We are very excited about it.
Anene o mede kontirni lo akapol lang miro wor me chwake yero Miss Tourism me bino pe ni do perio wi abongwen medu me abicheli ene mo atutu mieryo kede pierio wi angmen.
I want to ask you all to come together, come and support Miss Tourism Uganda, come and support the ambassador who is going to be an ambassador to the people of Northern Uganda. Let us join hands together for a better Northern Uganda. Cheers, thank you so much QFM. Thank you all our sponsors, we are very grateful.
Mano bedo gina chel ame hobini yomo yo chat willa polo pat ame bedo kiri gum menen ngo anyira mano bedo timo ibe yobuleo me chuka duong ame kage mogo nutia me balle rashwo bi Radio KFM Moses Okumukelo.